Ready to wear saris, elegance with zero effort. Sounds like a dream, right? But real fun begins when you style them. In today's haul, on the one side, I am keeping it classic with traditional drapes and timeless accessories, and on the other side, I am giving it a modern twist with like belts, jackets, and unexpected pairing. Which style you like more? Let's find out. Before we dive into styling, let me clear one thing. Ready to wear saris and ready made saris are different. Ready made saris comes with a lining attached to it and you can wear them directly as a dress. Whereas in ready to wear saris, there is no lining attached, so you have to wear a petticoat or underskirt inside. But the magic is it comes with a pre stitched pleats and it has adjustable loops and hook, so you can wear them, drape them very easily and quickly. Let me show you how the loop and hooks look. You can see these are the pleats here. Can you see pleats here? This is the hook and it has some elastic here which makes it super easy to drape, and it is size inclusive. It becomes size inclusive, and these are the loops. Let's start this haul with this beautiful piece from Sangria. It is in off-white and black color and in satin material. It has traditional floral print around the border and palla, and its palla has this golden details. It is such a timeless piece which will be in your wardrobe for a long time. I have styled it in two different ways. For the modern fusion look, I paired it with this bishop sleeves blouse, which is adding a drama and oomph to the look. I make the pleats of a pallu and tie it here and kept it slightly loose for the office wear comfort. I tuck blouse out, which is making it very easy. There is no tummy showing around here, so you can wear it very easily in the office. I have paired it with very simple jewelry, these black earrings and simple chain, and I have styled it with structured black bag, so you can see the complete look here. And tell me how you are liking this look. Will you be able to wear this in the office? Beauty lies in simplicity. This sari proves this again and again. Whatever way you wear it, it looks beautiful. For the traditional drape, I have paired it with this simple black blouse because this sari is really elegant and I want to keep it that way. For the pallu, I kept it open and flowy because I love to keep it like this. For the jewelry, I keep it minimal, simple studs, silver studs and this bracelet, and that's it. I'm ready to go. For the purse, I still opted for this structured bag because this is such a versatile piece. It goes with traditional and fusion wear both. So you can see the complete look here and tell me in the comments which look you like more, fusion or traditional. When I saw this sari on Myntra, I instantly decided to buy it because it has this beautiful tropical print all over it, which is quite unique for a sari. This sari is from brand Sangria, which is my favorite brand. It is made in this satin fabric, which is very soft on skin, and it has this flowy silhouette and it has beautiful vibrant color. So I love this sari. For the traditional look, I have paired it with simple sleeveless blouse. For the accessories, as usual, I kept it minimal. I paired it with this simple silver hoops which has this pearl attached to it. I added some rings and simple silver bracelet. For the purse, I took my signature guest cup structured bag. That's it, my look is ready. You can see the look here. For the footwear, I opted for silver thong style sandal, but actually when you wear this sari, you can't see the footwear. You can see the complete look here. To give this sari a modern twist, I have paired it with this contrasting shifly shirt. Because the sari has this tropical print, I wanted to give it a slightly boho vibe. So I have paired it with this old palm earrings. This shirt was slightly loose and I wanted to give some structure to this sari. So I have added this white belt, which is a thread belt, which is giving a little structure to the sari while maintaining the boho vibe. Other than that, I have kept accessories to minimal, just this silver bracelet which I wear all the time, and that's it. You can see the complete look. Next up in this haul is this classic beautiful Lehriya sari from brand Sangria. This sari is made in georgette fabric. Feel and fall of the sari is really nice. I can feel so comfortable in this sari. I can wear this all day long. Because the sari is classic, to give this a modern twist, I have swapped the blouse with this waistcoat, which is giving it a fresh contemporary vibe. For the accessories, I picked up this statement silver necklace because nothing can complement Lehriya better than the bold silver jewelry. I have added this statement ring also, and you can see the complete look. For the footwear, I have picked up silver thong style sandal, and you can see the complete look of the sari here. Basic pieces like this Lehriya sari always look elegant and effortless, whatever way you style them. For the traditional look, I have paired it with this crop top, which is slightly contrast in color, which is breaking the monotony of this Lehriya sari. Lehriya always goes with silver jewelry, so I have not changed the jewelry. I have kept the same jewelry, and you can see the complete look. It is so elegant, effortless and timeless. This one is Zara Hatke. It is pista colored checkered sari, something fresh and unique. This one is from brand Sangria and made in satin. Fabric feel is really nice and fall of the sari is really very good. Let's style it two different ways. For the traditional look, I have paired this sari with the simple sleeveless blouse because I wanted all the attention on this beautiful sari. For the accessories, I picked up these gold hoops and gold jewelry because gold jewelry is in trend, and I have purchased these earrings and bracelet recently, so I wanted to wear it somewhere. For the footwear, I took these gold stud sandals, and that's it. For the purse, I have taken this gold clutch. You can see the complete look. For creating a modern fusion look, I got a little experimental with this sari, and I have paired it with this contrast puff sleeves crop top. I feel this top is chic and trendy, and it is making this sari edgy and elegant at the same time. For the accessories, I kept the same as traditional, these golden hoops, bracelet and gold studded platform heels. You can see the complete look. Another checkered beauty, but this one is in digital print. The checks are in digital print. I absolutely love the color of this sari. Again, this one is from brand Sangria, and this it is made in satin fabric, but this satin is slightly heavy in weight. I am styling all the saris in two different ways. One is absolutely traditional way, and the another one is slightly fusion look. So for the fusion look for this sari, I have paired it with this chiffon shirt. This is a white color shirt. I tucked the shirt in and I kept the pallu loose, flowy, and you can see the look. For the jewelry, I went ahead with this pearl hoop and simple silver bracelet because I wanted to keep this look very simple and elegant. You can see the complete look here. Some saris look absolutely stunning and elegant in classic traditional drape, and this one is one of them. So I have styled it with simple sleeveless blouse. I kept the jewelry same, and that's it. You can see the complete look. Last in this haul is this beauty from Sangria. This is a printed blue color sari which is made in chiffon fabric. This is such a simple sari which is classic and timeless. It is made in chiffon fabric, and fall of the sari is absolutely fantastic. You can wear this sari all day long without feeling any discomfort. So if you are someone who wears sari very frequently, or there is a function coming up where you want to wear a sari all day long, this sari is for you. This is such a simple, timeless sari. I have decided to style it traditional way only. I have paired it with matching sleeveless blouse because this is a sari which you can wear all day long. So accessories also I kept minimal, simple silver chain, small rings, silver hoops and a small bracelet. To give a little height and elevation, I have paired it with my acrylic strap heels, and that's it. My look is ready. Here you can see the complete look. Before closing this haul, I wanted to highlight two things about these saris. And first one is these saris are really long, and if you are like me who always wear it classic traditional style, then you have to get it altered because these saris are really long and it is impossible to wear it as it is. You can see how long it is. See, another point is some of these saris are in digital print where the Seedha and Ulta is different. In this case, it is difficult to manage the saris. If you find this content useful, please like, share and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.